Okay, right now there are 10 tables, so user can create table. So you enter table ID 11 and then number of people will be 12. Okay, then successfully created table 11 with size 12, and then you get all table status. There's a table ID 11 with size 12, and then check table ability until from table 1 to table 11. Okay, right now our restaurant, right, will be displaying a menu. So enter choice 0. So this is our menu. We have 3 categories: main course, drink, dessert, and promotion. So let's say we create menu item 1, and then add item, main course, enter item name, let's say chicken wing, item price $3, description yummy. Okay, so we display our menu. Then we have an additional item in the main course called chicken wing, and the price is $3, description yummy. Okay, so now we edit this menu item. So enter choice 1, update item 2, main course. Then we update the number 6 with the chicken wing. We change it to fish wing. Price we change it to $4. Then will be yummy fish. Okay, so now we go and see our menu again. Menu item 0, fish wing, price $4, yummy fish. So now we'll delete this menu item. So we'll press 1 and then remove item main course, remove item 6, and then fish wing remove. So now we check our main menu again. We display our menu, then we check the main course. Now the fish has been removed. The fish wing has been removed. Now we're going to create update remove promotion. So we press 2 and then we add promotion, and then promotion name will be set C, and then one main course. Then we add 2 curry chicken don, then add more item, yes, add the drinks, and then we have a coke, and then add more item, we add a dessert, and then we have 5 chocolate eclair and no, then we enter a price will be, let's say, $15. Then item description, best deal in town, and then we check our new promotion, set C, then 3 items, then $15, best deal in town. So now we update the promotion, so it will be 2, then update promotion, then we enter choice of the promotion, we update set C, so we change name, then this one will be set D, and then check 0. Now it's set C, it becomes set D. Then now we enter update promotion, so update promotion, then set D, then we add an item, so we add a dessert, so we add a cream puff, so it's 4, and then now we press 0, and then we have an additional cream puff added over here. So now we remove this cream puff, so we have to update the promotion. So we press 2, update promotion, this promotion, then we remove the item, so we remove this cream puff, so 3, and then now we enter 0 to display, and then now we have back to 3 items in this new promotion. Now we update this promotion, we update the price, we change the price, we change it to 13, and now we view, now it's changed to $13, and then now we update the description, so 2, change description 5, we change this to best deal in the world. Okay, so now 0, so now 0, enter choice, now 0 we see now the description has been changed, best deal in the world. So now we remove this promotion, so we press 2, then remove promotion, we remove this set D, and then now we press 0, and then now our promotion has been removed, no more already. Okay, so now customer made an order, so we add order, so he add order, so it will be 3, and then add order, they choose table ID 1, and then add order, add a single item, add a main course, add a tempura udon 4, and then add more items, so we add a promotion, then you choose a set A, and then don't want to add already. So now you view his order 4, so, and table ID 1. So now he has 2 items, tempura udon and set A. So now you want to edit the order, so you press 3 and then you choose the table which is 1. Order place is true for table ID 1. So then after that remove order. Let's say he remove a promotion, so enter order, remove 1, don't want to remove. Now he view his order again 4, table ID enter is 1. So now he's back to 1 item, single item tempura udon. So now table, get out table status, the order place is still true. Let's say if he cancel his order, the order place will be false. So let's say he press 3, then he choose table 1, he cancel his order, and then now he press 11, order place is false. Okay, so let's say customer create a reservation, so 5, then enter date and time 14 November 2014, and then the time is 9:22 p.m. So you reserve at 9:30, 9:30. Then table for 3, then name ABC, number 123, and then table reservation successful for table 3. So check table availability, table 3 is not there because it has been reserved. So now you get all table status. So table 3 is been reserved, its status is true. So let's say check reservation booking for table 3. So check table ID 3, and then the name reserved is ABC, contact 123, reserved at 9:30. So let's say I remove reservation booking, so 6, then I remove table ID 3, successfully remove reservation. So now my table availability, my table 3 is back, and then my table status, table reserved is false. If let's say I reserve a table, let's say I enter 5, then I enter a date which is already over, 14 November 2014, and then the time, now it's 9:24, let's say I enter 9 p.m. So 2100, then let's say 3 ABC 123, it would say invalid date because the time is already over, so you cannot reserve a time that has been over. So now I want to print order invoice, so you create order, and then let's say table ID 1, and then add order, single item, main course, katsudon, and then no. And then now you view order, table ID 1, and got one katsudon over here. So now you print order invoice 7. Once you wait, you get table status, order place is true. Then now I press 7 to check out payment. So staff name Roy, then customer member, yes, table ID 1, date will be 14 November 2014, and then this is the invoice, the order invoice, receipt number 8. Then here discount because got member. So now bring the sale revenue report for today. So print by day will be 14 November 2014. Then over here, this is receipt number 8. Okay, so now we're going to print sale revenue by day. So first of all, we have to create an order. So this is our menu. So over here, main course, drink and dessert, and promotion. So we add an order. So we enter 3. You choose a table, let's say table 1, then add order, single item, main course, katsudon, no. Then we view our order 4, enter table ID 1, and then we have an item over here. So now we print order invoice 7, then staff name, then customer member, yes, table ID 1, date will be 1 3 1 4 1 1 2014, and then the receipt number 5. Then we press 8, print sale report by day 1, then 1 4 1 1 2014. Okay, so now we have receipt number 0, receipt number 1, receipt number 2, receipt number 5. Receipt number 3 and receipt number 4 is yesterday. So you can check print 8, then print sale report by day, and 13112014, and then here's the receipt number 3 and receipt number 4. So the receipt will be in increasing order regardless of which day it is. Okay, so now when I print sale revenue report by month, right? So 8, then print by month, so November 2014. It will give me today the revenue of the day, total revenue is 31.07, and yesterday revenue is 14.71. So total revenue of a month will be added up together. So just now I said, right, the 14 November, right, is receipt 0, 1, 2 and 5. So total revenue was 3107. 13 November, right, was receipt 3 and 4. So total revenue is 14.71. So this okay, so for test case 1, right, we will have get all table status, then now we reserve all to true. So now we cannot reserve any more table, so we create reservation booking, then enter the date and time, then 2 people, then the name and then the contact, then it say all table are reserved. Okay, so for test case 2, right, now all table, right, don't have order placed, so it's all false. So now you want to create an order, then we choose one table, table ID 1, then we add order, then single item, main course, then chicken ramen, then after that no. Then now you go see the order place is true. Order place is true. Then now you release the table, so print order invoice. So this one, then customer is a member, yes. Then table ID 1. Then the date, month, year is this one, so enter. Then now the table invoice printed out, right? Then now you check the table status. So order place is false, so means the table released already. Okay, so now for test case 3, right, I'll reserve one table, so it will be 5. Then I'll enter the time. So now the date and time right now is 7:49. Let's say I reserve at 8 p.m. So 8 p.m. will be 20. So okay, then enter 2 people, then ABC, then 1, 2, 3. Then now reservation successful, table 1. So now I press 11, right? Then the result status is true. But then if I reserve at 8 p.m., right, so the time status I should change this to 9:10 p.m. Let's say I change this to 9:49. Okay, click OK. Then I click OK. Because the period is 1 hour, so now I press 11. Then now reservation status is for table 1 is false. Okay, so for test case 4, an additional test case, when a customer place an order 3, so he place an order 1, he add an order, then single item, main course, chicken ramen 1. So once he add an order, right, view order, table ID 1. Okay, his item is now chicken ramen. So let's say if I change the menu item, I update the menu item to main course, I update the chicken ramen, I enter, let's say I change it to chicken, and my price I now change it to $5 instead of $10, then yummy, okay. So now my main course is updated, you can check. Okay, this is my main course. See, my main course now over here is chicken, 5 and yummy. So now when I enter the view order, right, it should not change. It's still chicken ramen and it's $10. It's still the original. So whenever a customer place an order, then after that you change the menu item, right, it should not update accordingly in the customer order item list.